Hi, I'm Gillian with Gillian Cunningham Realty Group, and I'm out here at Lakewood at Brook Hollow in the Prosper area visiting one of Britton Homes' models. You've got to come out here and take a look at this property. It is simply gorgeous. You can see we've got a study, and as we go down this hall, this home is 4 bedrooms, has a study plus a media room, and all on 1 story. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. The bedrooms are a nice size. They all can accommodate a full-size bed. We've got the secondary bathroom here. They've got nice wood floors. This is just a beautiful home. I'm going to take you down this hallway. However, most of what we're seeing over here is going to be the garage. So the blue area is actually the garage. But when you come in now for the garage, you've got a mud bench area. We've got a closet here for some storage. As I mentioned, this house is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. They've got a study plus a media room. Look at this. They've got barn doors on this media room. And this is just simply great for entertaining. We've got the utility room here, and then there's another bedroom down this hall. And look, there's another storage closet. So this bedroom here has its own ensuite with a full bathroom here. And as we come back out, I'll show you the utility room. So it's got space where you could even put a freezer if you wanted in the utility room. Look at this. This is the formal dining room and the family room. Look at these beautiful windows here. And we come in to the kitchen with quartz countertops, beautiful cabinets. And these doors here, they actually slide all the way over so that you could bring the outdoors in. We're going to go over here now to the master bedroom. Look at this room. This is just simply gorgeous. If you're in the market to purchase a new home, you've got to come out here and see this. They've got 60-foot wide lots. Beautiful bathroom. And we've got closets over here. Nice size closet. We've got more storage for your linens and everything. This is, as I mentioned, a beautiful home. If you're interested in buying a new home, contact me to find out more about how this home could be yours. I'm Gillian Cunningham with Gillian Cunningham Realty Group, and I'll make your next move your best move.